forgot to connect my mic. Just give me a second. So we are already holding a trade. That's a runners. Pretty much good prepared. I'll go through the trade. I'll break it down for you guys. Before that, before that, hold it. Let me put a screen so that more people can join. Roger, control liquidity. Wow. Which I have sent my narrative today morning or beautiful play there. I just very happy by it. I made copy my way. I'll go through the currency. Very nice. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. The trade we had today is absolute banger. That's the most easy what a trader can make for himself. But the retracement we got, the edge we got, like we got edge at some point. That was terrible. But the trade idea we had was so beautiful that I can take it 101 times out of 100. No, 101 times out of 100. 101 times out of 100. Let me bring my camera down a little bit. I think this is the best angle. Wow. Oh, so I'm expecting an angle higher to this When you say what I draw up here, the daily draw as well. So that's the only draw I will be for today. If that gets cleared, then I think the reason I placed myself in the ES was because ES was stronger as it obviously, so I was safe to be there. Long say yes. Yeah, I explain already. Yeah, I do prepare. Just one limited one contract. I made $300 nearly. Uh, Not today, overall ending the week with $300, which is the best I've made for 25K account with discipline without gambling. I can, I know, I definitely do it for myself. But it's not really sorry. We are obviously. So if I'll be trading demo, I'll definitely inform you guys before trading demo. Okay, I forgot to what's better, live streaming on YouTube or live streaming on Discord server? What's better? What is this thing? But how to adjust this thing, bro? I'll show you if anyone is watching this stream. Only one guy is watching. That's fine. If he's a trader or if you know anything about trader, how to set this thing, bro? When I pull this down, just my screen will just automatically go up. Reset by itself, bro. It's so annoying. It's fucking so how to set this up? How the fucking set this up? Anyone know here about this? Let's keep it aside for a while. Let's focus on our draw. Let's hope for it. This is a draw actually, which we are looking for, but let's have a target of -2 of standard deviation. Around my face then. Just do this and then I'm having a coffee. Oh, 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 what's Daisy doing today? What about Daisy? Very strong. No.
So far, yeah. Now you guys can hear me. Only two people watching today. What the fuck, bro? This shit to the upside. Daily is fucking negative condition as hell. But we do have a drop there. We can reach. We can reach. Let's hope for good. Let's hope for good. देखते हैं ड्रॉ तो है बट डेली का कैंडल भी नेगेटिव कंडीशन है वी कैन जस्ट विगल अराउंड दी ओपनिंग प्राइस और यहाँ पर मतलब थोड़ा लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट भी क्लियर हो गया है लाइक ऑन 8:30 आई थिंक वी हैड समथिंग some kind of news there that got hit my TP तो देखते हैं लाइक मेरा टारगेट तो ये ड्रॉ लिक्विडिटी है which is our daily which is in the daily time frame but let's see we are kind of just wiggling around अगर ये न्यूज का हाई है तो this becomes data high and we can just chop around as the daily candle is also a negative condition candle so okay 9:30 open is here what's happening 9:30 open we are pushing higher I don't want this to be manipulated and then sudden drop there 10Q should align and then push higher as well वो थोड़ा हेल्प कर सकता है oh, my watch uh, people stopped watching me oh okay what a beautiful pop there during open but now it's a thing definitely bro I am doing live stream every day I am doing live stream every day what do I have other than that I don't even have any work to do other than that yeah I do have job but not at this time it's just morning to evening I speak okay we clear this high now which we can consider a data high if our 8:30 is news let me check if it's a news anything on 8:30 bro no we don't have anything on 8:30 so we can consider it pumping higher again let's see this is your draw I get 316 right now. That's cool I can cut it at this point but I don't want to actually let me move my stick to here let's be safe guys at this point let's trail the stock mechanically okay let's trail it mechanically according to the structure so if it wants to stop me if it inverses this gap I'll just cut it manually or it will just stop me at break even now break even trail stop so we got out 2 hour and we took our partials and this is just a runner 1 micro I'm fine with it NQ haven't yet taken the all-time highs not all-time highs haven't yet taken the highs let's get the most out of it let's get the most out of it let's get the fucking most out of it guys I can manage it I cannot manage it in fucking straight away Okay, 3 minute so to switch a time frame here fucking I'm confused now yeah we'll manage it here we'll manage it here we'll manage it here Have a gap here. Let us put it side by side. We can just manipulate this high. Okay, we can just manipulate this high and reverse as well. Even that can happen. That's the reason I'm just trying to be safe here, getting whatever I get out of the trade. Don't want to be greedy at this point. It's just a one micro, so sitting, squeeze it. Whatever you want to get out of it, just get it, bro. If you get a closure here, I'll trail it to here. Let's do it mechanically there. The reason I'm holding this trade and don't want to close it at this draw is because sometimes it's keep on pumping. So it's just a one micro. So let's do its thing. Let's ride it if it's possible. I live streamed even yesterday, I think, bro. I think Jerry, you were upset yesterday. I mean, you were not on live stream yesterday. Sorry, college stuff. Absent, present. I used to be absent every day, bro. I think that's the reason I'm still unemployed. It's a pump, yes. Come on. Come on, bro. You are the strongest in Q. What are you doing? You are the fucking strongest in Q today. You should be pushing higher. Okay, we do have this gap here. Thank you, which is good. Good displacement, good closure, good gap, and a beautiful drop here. Wow, what a over. Fucking, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? I wanted to fucking close. I think we did get a close, 1 minute close there, maybe. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. The fuck? What the fuck? I th I literally thought it's gonna hit my TP, bro. I don't want to lose that position. I mean, like I placed myself very goddamn well today. Sometimes I feel like fucking. I don't want to say that, or else you guys will definitely troll me. It's worth taking risk, keeping your stop down here. I feel we have another 47 seconds. If we get closure above here, that's a good thing to hold the trade. Till NQ takes that high, we are good to go. But the thing is, you should not start consolidating. I have to make some space for trade away on my live stream so that you guys can see it. It's good to manage trade away. Stops and everything will be placed so quick then and then. trading view, obviously. Come on, yes, we can push it now. Okay. Okay, I might get stopped out here, maybe. And that's totally fine if I get stopped out. I'll just fucking try to get that continuation of this 3 minute. If you're not getting that, that's totally fine because the draw is already met and I don't want to fight with it, bro. I just let it go. I'll just let it go. That's cool. That's cool. We at least we'll make around something around $80 on this if it gets stopped out, which is so good. I mean, on 25K at least for me. Come on, buddy. Top me out or pump higher. Yes, sir. Yeah. Taking out all the positions. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Taking out all the positions. Oh, how it looks. Bro, this looks sick, bro. This looks sick, bro. Oh, my, this looks sick. Give me a second, guys. Someone is knocking on my door. Then, but then, I'm stream it one. Yes, sir. This is the fucking reason I trailed my stop up there, bro. और ये ब्रो आज हमने पूरा ऐसा मूव मूव कैच किया है ब्रो like it was worth staying break even all week. I'm telling you, it was fucking worth staying break even whole fucking week. Not gonna lie. So this is the thing when people say save your capital, you'll get a good day and make good stuff. And talking technically, like mathematically, I haven't made much, but it was worth waiting, I would say. My entry, my entry was here, and I held it all the way to the drawn liquidity, which I marked fucking earlier in the day in my Discord. Let me just show you guys. Chandra, look at this. Look at this. Fucking look at this, guys. Views on indices for me today. Looking for obvious bullish move to the drawn liquidity. What was our draw? This was our draw. See that, guys? Did you see? This was our draw. Okay. And see, even in NQ. But what did I say again? Drawn liquidity mentioned, whatever I mentioned in the picture. But the important thing, we should be aware of law of the day. So, till where did the law of the day should be set? And my anticipation was looking for law of the day to be set in this gap. Okay, in this fucking gap. What's its time frame? 240 minutes. 240 minutes. It's something I think it's around 6 hours. 6 hour time frame. Okay, 6 hour or 4 hour, whatever. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. Okay, so I want the law of the day to be set in this gap. First condition. This is a very crucial thing which we should be aware of our daily, whatever daily trading thing. Okay. So what I was expected, accumulation here for a little bit and then manipulating it and then pushing higher to the draw on liquidity. Okay. So read further. We have to wait patiently to set a low of the day and then plan our trades away from it. Okay. Away from it. As Nasdaq is bit Non-structural, uh, for me, Nasdaq looked a little bit messy because there's no PDRA supporting it to push bullish. The only PDRA was this inversion. So I was not interested on, looking for totally, what do you say, totally depending on NQ to plan our trades today. Okay. So I was more non-structural for me. I will be using ES to build a narrative and get more context as possible. Okay. So NQ was clear. And as we know, indices move together. So I was expecting NQ to follow the ES, and I use ES to build a narrative out of it. Okay. So, and this is just a warning. Please don't only rely on my technicals. Do your own analysis. Obviously, I have to say that. Again, worst case scenario. What is the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario, the day can be choppy as well if low is not set until the 10 a.m. EST. Make sure to stay away from the market if that happens. If the low is not set before 10 a.m., then make sure to stay away from the market because it will just fucking chop around. Okay, for bullish scenario till this draw I'm talking. Even now it can turn or just chop around, whatever it can do. And when I say this, the worst case scenario, I didn't knew that it's gonna be negative condition today. As you guys can see, this tells nothing. This is just a open candle. I was analyzing it pre-London actually. So what do you see now? Is fucking negative condition. There is a huge chance that today's candle can be negative condition, and you guys can see a long wick down there. And today can also be a chop because we already cleared the draw liquidity, and today is a negative condition, and we'll come back to the opening price and then this wiggle around. Bro, how to join your Discord? Oh, bro, come on, bro. Follow me on Instagram. You can join there. You'll have a link, and let me just share here as well. Let me just share here as well so that you guys can join. I'm thinking of doing such analysis daily. I'll pin this. I think yeah. I think I pinned the Discord server link there. Okay. Yeah. I make easy for you guys, bro. You just keep on subscribing my channel and keep on supporting on this. Okay. So so I'll show you on charts how it is for me. Okay. Let's first clear every fucking thing on the chart. Let's fucking delete everything here. Okay. So let me just go back if we form the day. Oh, I'm not gonna take for the risk. Okay. This was my draw. This was my draw for the day. Okay. And we were अरे डीसी में ही हूँ भैया डीसी में ही हूँ आ जाओ we were reversing from this low which is very relevant low डीसी में ही हूँ डीसी में ही हूँ आ जाओ और ये एसएमटी था हमारे पास थैंक यू okay this was fucking days for us to plan a reversal all this thing and we are also delivering from this fair value gap okay this was a base context which we can rely on okay like on the daily point of view. And as you guys can see, Wednesday set a low and Thursday showed a strong bullish context and we had a good draw up there. So we can expect Friday continuation till this draw. Very easy. Okay. Equal highs up there. So coming to the 4 hour, what do we have? We have this gap getting 4 hour. Okay. Open 6 p.m. Sorry. 6 p.m. open, which is Asian, and this is the 10 p.m. 10 p.m. I would never expect 10 p.m. to set a low, like at least for some context. Like 10 a.m. is basically not a particular kill zone for me, which will set a low. I For me, Asian will set a low. The probability of setting low in the Asian session is very low, so I would consider and wait for London to do its thing. I mean, London to set low if possible. Okay. So we were in range. We haven't yet cleared this low. So I'm expecting to that London to clear this low. The fuck, bro, why is this happening? Okay. So mention the 15 minute from 4 hour. Where are we gonna go? What's our time frame alignment? It's 15 minutes. Okay. So and down, clear this what do you say? Set the low of the day. Yes, sir, yes, sir. And we have this change in state of delivery. Okay. Okay. So when did this set? I think 3:30 around, maybe. I would consider at 3 o'clock as a kill zone from here. Always consider London kill zone from 3 o'clock, guys, not 2 o'clock. Okay. So three set a low. Now true changes state of delivery might be here. I was away from this. I was away from the charts when this is happening. Okay. See, we haven't yet got the changes state of delivery when this low was set because so as you guys can see, we haven't got this changes set of delivery when this low was set. So this is not a low actually. This is just a peak out. Okay. So as we got changes state of delivery now, we as can consider this low as protected low. Okay. So now I was waiting for some kind of gap, or else I would have punched it on a market here itself, but I was just waiting for a gap. London Crypto 3 a.m. Yeah, bro. Personally, I would definitely prefer 3 a.m. to that 3 a.m. is London session. My stops were here on these bodies. My target was this strong liquidity. My initial target where I took my partial was here. Okay. So came, give us a tap, your pump. And at this point, I posted in Discord so that it should not, edge. I hope it should not edge me. Okay. And I haven't yet moved my stop anywhere. Okay. My stop was here. So it literally edged me. And I think I may have moved my stop to these bodies because of all this expansion and all. I saw this reversing and all this stuff. And I had one thing in my mind so that this fair value gap can hold and push it higher. So at this point, it took us out. I literally took out three contracts here. I had four in, and I was looking for this high, and we fucking banged it up there on this candle. Now we are still pushing higher. Beautiful. This fucking beautiful trade to the high bro. ये आ रहा है मैंने ये लिया था आज 15 मिनट का अच्छा था ना ट्रेड हम्म यस यस आज थोड़ा क्लीन है पीए एक्चुअली बट एनक्यू में क्लीन नहीं है एनक्यू में थोड़ा मेसी था आज अभी भी थोड़ा है एनक्यू आई पर्सनली डोंट लाइक डिडंट लाइक एनक्यू दिस वाज सो क्लीन दिस या इट वाज सो क्लीन। अरे पहला ये बंद कर लेता हूँ बेंच, ये तो प्रॉब्लम होता है। ओह, व्हेन डिड दिस हैपन ब्रो? ये कब हो गया? ओह, रिप्ले में हूँ इसीलिए। गॉट इट ब्रो। हम्म। कौन? कौन कौन? मतलब एक मतलब वेल प्रॉफिटेबल था, या फिर ऐसा, मतलब हमारे जैसा स्ट्रगलिंग फेज में? अरे है भाई, बात तो करना चाहिए लोगों को, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग। अरे इसको सेटिंग कैसा करते हैं पता है क्या भाई तेरे को? इधर देखना थोड़ा मेरा स्क्रीन, अरे मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं है क्या? ये वाला नहीं, ट्रेडो वेड में जो ऐसा स्क्रीन ऐसा होता है ना, ये बकचोदी करता है ना। ये देख, ये देख, ट्रेडो वेट वाला स्क्रीन देखना मेरा। ठीक है, इसमें देख, मैं ऐसा पुल करता हूँ तो इसको ऐसा बकचोदी करता है। मैं ऐसा पुल करता हूँ ना तो ऐसा बकचोदी करता है। हाँ, इसको कैसा ये कर सकते हैं? हाँ का लाइन्स भाई। प्रोजेक्ट्स की मॉडल चेक एचटीएफ वन स्टेज एसएमटी with PSP and HTF2 stage, LTF2 stage SMT earlier. Broad trading भी प्रीमियम, और how you got to, या ब्रो, प्रीमियम प्रीमियम है मेरे पास, प्रीमियम है भाई। बिकॉज मेरे को थोड़ा मेंटरशिप में चाहिए होता है, इसीलिए मैं मंगवाना लाइक चाहिए। ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्रीमियम, आई हैव टू हैव ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्रीमियम, नहीं तो मैं सिखा नहीं पाऊंगा। और ये ब्लू गार्डन वाले भी बहुत महंगा किए ना अकाउंट्स अभी। मे बी we fucking locked the account today, and we're not going to trade anymore because we made enough, I think. Let me check. Let me check my dashboard, bro. Mind me later, buddy. Oh, राहुल भैया, पहली बार देखो मेरा लूसिड में इतना प्रॉफिट हुआ है। पहली बार। लूसिड में बता रहा हूँ, नॉट लाइक बाकी मैं किया हूँ। लूसिड में बता रहा हूँ। हाँ बे। अबे इनका थोड़ा महंगा है ना, इनका महंगा लगा ना। अरे नहीं, ब्लू गार्डियन का महंगा लगा ना मेरे को, इसीलिए मैं लूसिड का लिया। ओ ब्रो क्रेजी शिट, someone took the same trade. What the fuck, people are printing like $800 bro। मैं ही गरीब हूँ बेंच छोड़ यहाँ पे। मैं ही गरीब हूँ भाई। This motherfucker made more than me bro। What the fuck। Crazy shit, crazy trade, crazy trade। अरे ईएस में, ओके दिस इज माइक्रो ईएस और मिनी ईएस, आई डेंट गेट इट। अगर ये बंदा ईएस में 4 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से लिया है, तो इसका 800 कैसा बनेगा भाई। मैं भी तो मैं भी तो चार ही से लिया था। यहाँ पे देखो, सॉरी, यहाँ पे देखो, 4 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया इसने। ठीक है, मैं भी 4 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया था, 150 रिस्क किया था, अराउंड अराउंड 300 बनना चाहिए। ये 800 कैसे बना लिया भाई। करेगा तो यहाँ पे दिखाएगा ना, लाइक एडेड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। हाँ। अरे मेरे साथ कुछ हो रहा है क्या भाई। अरे अरे नहीं 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 नहीं। ये दिस इज मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। माय बैड गाइस, माय बैड। बट यहाँ पे तो देखो, यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे वो अलर्ट। अरे भाई वो अलर्ट है। ऑलराइट, people are trading in minis and printing like hell bro। हम अभी माइक्रो में ही पड़े हैं, which is good। I don't mind, like micro is good for me। ठीक ही है। crazy shit। अरे ये बनाओ रे, ऐसा 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 जिप्स बनाओ ना, मेरे हमारे सरवर में भी कुछ मजे। अरे मेरा ही ले ले भाई, मेरा ही ले ले, मेरा ही। अबे ऐसा देख, मेरा मेरा लेके बना, कुछ लोगों का लेके बना, ऐसा ऐसा गे जिप्स वगैरह मत बना भाई, तू गे वगैरह बना देता है थे जो गे वगैरह। मेरे फेवरेट्स में क्या है, ये आज फ्राइडे बन गया भाई। देखो, ये देखो रॉल में, ये देखो। अरे बेंचो ये कैसे हो गया, मतलब हाउ इज दिस फकिंग 83% कंसिस्टेंसी ब्रो। मैं आज बनाया 300, तो 83% थोड़ी होगा। क्रेजी शिट, एंडिंग वीक, फकिंग एंडिंग वीक विथ $300, which is so good for me because this is my first account, like not first account, I have blown 3 accounts back to back, gambling, lucid, 25K। So I was just bit cautious about, trading, the way of trading this account. So I'm just going, sizing down, going with one micro every time, bringing back the confidence, and then, you know, bring back my rhythm I lost, Oh yeah, you're fucking pushing higher. This is the reason I was holding the trade, but that's totally fine. We got hit at trade stop, and we basically cleared our objective, which is our draw. So crazy trade, crazy. I think the thing is, I'll be not able to post a reel today. That's fine. Bro, GXT model check history upon stage. I mean, ये बता रहे हो क्या भाई? हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो, मेरे को हिंदी भी आता है. Shit, what a beautiful trade. ऑयल में एक ऑयल में ये मिल सकता था क्या? No plan at all. 5 minutes, not a tap, not tap, not tap. दे देते हैं भाई. अरे यहाँ पे ये देना पड़ेगा क्या? प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट करना है इसका. आज करना है. आज कर लेता हूँ. आज बाद में कर लेता हूँ. Where is this? Where is this guy? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, bro. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, guys. One watching and me. Let's go. अगर कम कम लोग भी देखते हैं ना तो मजा आ जाता है बेंचो. कुछ भी बकचोदी कर सकते हो. You'll be more comfortable. 283 subscribers since decades, bro. No growth at all. We are pumping. We are pumping. Your choice pumping and oil is not at all. पहले लोग देखते थे भाई. 10-15 लोग तो ऐसे ही आ जाते थे. अब दो है. एक में एक कोई और द लाइक कट्टर कट्टर सपोर्टर मेरा होगा शायद. मेरे को लगता है राहुल भैया ही होंगे दूसरा वाला. अरे नहीं भाई, वाइपर भाई, वाइपर ब्रदर इज माय नो biggest audience here. I want to thank you, brother. Thank you for staying here. I really appreciate. भाई अपनों ने ही नहीं अपने ही नहीं देख रहे भाई. इजुमे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा. जी गॉड सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा. और बहन चल वो ओम सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा. कौन है वो? AUM गाय हु इज दैट? और भी थोड़े लोग हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू टेक देयर नेम बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्राइवेसी इशू. वो सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे. ये कैसा होता है भाई? भाई कुछ तो सपोर्ट करो भाई. और राहुल भैया भी नहीं देख रहे. राहुल राहुल भैया को देखो, राहुल भैया आते हैं, कमेंट में डीसी करके कमेंट करते हैं, एज सून एज आई एंटर डीसी, खत्म, मेरा स्ट्रीम ही बंद कर देते हैं भाई। राहुल भाई चालू रखो ना, थोड़ा वॉचिंग तो बढ़ेगा मेरा। हाँ, अभी देखो, अभी देखो 283 सब्सक्राइबर पे है, इसको 300 करना है कैसे भी करके। मेरे को लग रहा है आज चॉप करेगा मार्केट। अगर मेरा टीपी नहीं होता तो मैं भी फंबल कर देता भाई, मैं भी अब अभी ट्रेड पकड़ने चुकी करता था, फॉर रियल। You're from Tamil Nadu. That's fine. That's okay, bro. Are you talking about this trade, this particular trade, like, or you want me to just tell how we look, how we frame trades in GXT? डाल दूंगा भाई। I mean, fuck. I mean, ये डालू क्या, मतलब रील डालू क्या, अभी रुको, मैं भी देसी के जैसा रील बना, बहन चोद। Oh, I will. अरे इनके जैसा कैसे बनाते बे? अबे ये देसी वगैरह रील बनाते हैं ना राहुल भाई, ये पता है क्या आपको? अबे तेरे को भेज रहा हूँ देखना। राहुल भैया, ये कैसे बनाते हैं पता है क्या? भेजा हूँ देख रहे तेरे को इंस्टा में। विल बी कंसिस्टेंट बाय आवर साइड। फकिंग। अरे ये बीच बीच में आ रहा है ना ऐसा, पीछे बैकग्राउंड नहीं है इसका, ये कैसे बनाते हैं ये लोग? अबे ये आता है क्या इसमें? इसमें आता है क्या ये करने? हाँ? नहीं, एडिट्स करके एक इंस्टाग्राम का ही ऐप है ना, बेसिक सा। अरे है बे इसमें है। अरे ये पूरा प्रॉपर रील बना देता है उनको। हैव टू फिगर इट आउट। विल फकिंग रीड मार्केट एवरीडे ब्रो। हाँ बे, अभी आता है बे। यस आई, अभी पता चला मेरे को ये लोग। हाँ देख। द थिंग इज, अभी वो, अभी स्क्रिप्ट स्क्रिप्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग लिमिट भी रख सकते हैं। बट द प्रॉब्लम इज, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इसका बैकग्राउंड ना पूरा ऐसा ये चिपक जाता है। आई 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 फिगर इट आउट, मैं कुछ करूंगा उसका। देखूंगा कुछ करता हूँ उसका। हो गया, अभी पता तो चला कि नहीं रे, नहीं रे, वो कहाँ डाला है? अरे द्रौपदी का, वो वो हम गए थे बे रिसेंटली, तो सब लोग गए थे, तो एडिट करके ग्रुप में कोई डाला है, तो कोलैब में ऐसा मतलब टैग किया है, एक्सेप्ट किया बस। हम्म, अरे अरे अभी मत बता, मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम में हूँ लोडे। वो मेरे को भी कॉल किया था, मेरे पास नहीं था, मेरे मैं ही उसको आइडिया दिया था कि इजुमे के पास रहेगा, उसको पूछ करके। कहाँ से मिला तेरे को? तेरे को कहाँ? अरे भाई, भाई इसके चक्कर में जो डिस्कॉर्ड आईडी वगैरह हैक ना हो जाए बस। राहुल भैया क्या कर रहे हो? शॉपिफाई में? अरे आपका अगर शॉपिफाई सेटिंग वगैरह, मतलब कितना खर्चा होता है ये सब सेटअप करने में? फ्री में हो जाता है? हम्म। क्लाउड से बनाए क्या? हाँ हाँ हाँ। नाइस। बढ़िया बनाए। देखो इसीलिए तो इंजीनियर्स को जॉब नहीं मिल रहा राहुल भैया। who gives who gives a fuck about whether you're using cloud or not? ये ये तो बढ़िया है फिर। का कौन सा ये प्रोडक्ट डाल रहे हो इसमें शॉपिफाई में? ये इसका, ये मतलब कपड़ों का? वो जिम का? अरे लोग इसको कैसे रखते हैं भाई, सब्सक्राइबर मोड ओनली? तो मैं ये देख तो, अरे वो सेटिंग में है, लेकिन हर हर एक वीडियो के लिए मेरे को करना पड़ रहा है। भाई, बड़ी व्यूज टुडे। अरे लाइक कितने लोग किए आज? बेंचो, एक ही बंदे ने लाइक लाइक किया है। ठीक है भाई, मतलब ठीक ही है। ठीक है भाई। Excuse me। मैं कुछ ये कर रहा था, आई थिंक। क्या कर रहा था? आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग। आज चॉप ही होगा बहन चोद। चॉप ही हो। अबे आज डेली का कैंडल एक्सपांड नहीं कर पाएगा। आज हो गया ये ड्रॉ, मीट हो गया। और अभी फिर ये वापस आएगा ओपनिंग प्राइस की तरफ, देखना। जो था वो था, हो गया, अभी खत्म उसका काम। चलो गाइस, निकलते हैं। फिर मिलेंगे मंडे। फिर आएंगे। फिर रिस्क करेंगे 100 एवरी ट्रेड। लेट्स सी व्हाट आर वी गोना गेट। And closing our week with $400 profit, nearly $400, which is $375 profit. And we'll be back next week. Trade safe and enjoy your weekends. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like. मेरे को पता है like तुम लोग देख भी नहीं रहोगे, but still it's my duty to tell. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. मेरे पास कोड भी नहीं है, मैं प्रमोट करने के लिए मेरे को कर रहा भी नहीं है अभी के लिए, बस I don't know. I don't even have audience there. People can use my code and you know make so that I can make some money out of it. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye. Not tomorrow, Monday. Happy weekends. Be safe, guys.